top, middle, and long distance performers.
Having said that, the fastest boy in class, the fastest boy in high school this season is still from Jamaica College. The former Calabar man, Carlos Bryson Keynes, won the corporate area title in 1:51.25.
Result for the girls 4x800 meters open. Alphonsus Davis 8 minutes 57.25 seconds. Sydney Pagan STEM Academy, the surprise package 9 minutes 00.89. What a superb run. And Edwin Allen in third 9 minutes 04.38 as we get set for the boys event, which is very much out and about now. Belfield, Calabar, the defending champions, 747.94 to win last year. We have Kingston College, Jamaica College, Homewood, Monroe, Port Antonio High, Edwin Allen, Clarendon College, Alphonsus Davis, St. Elizabeth Tech, and Atatius Golding was also listed for this event.
Yes, that's Rashid Price for Jamaica College with the early lead. He's improved on his 1500 meter time this season, 1:55 early this season over 800 meters, and I usually see him on anchor for Jamaica College in this race. Today he starts.
Yeah, has gone 1:55.09. I think without Samuel Creary, they probably felt they needed someone with the experience of running in these big races, and Price does have that type of experience, and he uses it to get out of traffic, get to the front, get an early lead, and it's just about 56.5 for the first 400 meters. And then Kingston College with Jeremy Jones moving into second. Calabar, they have the little man but full of heart, Justin Webb, he's in third. JC, KC, Calabar, the big three.
That's the way they head down the backstretch now with Jamaica College from Calabar, Kingston College.
Rashid Price doing well to hang on here. Calabar looking poised to make a challenge soon as they move into the last 100 of this.
Yeah, Price has gone as fast as 1:55.09 this season. Justin Webb of Calabar has gone as fast as 1:56.57. And KC also running brilliantly with Jeremy Jones on the opening leg. Well, this is just the start.
Just the start indeed, Ricardo. Jamaica College from Kingston College, Calabar, Alphonsus Davis, St. Elizabeth Technical, Clarendon College, Edwin Allen, and Belfield. That's the order at the moment.
Well, this is an interesting move. Jamaica College have gone with their number one on the second leg. Now that I think about it, that is what they usually do. This is Carlos Bryson Keynes, started his high school career at Calabar, won a Class 3 1500 title for the Green and Blacks before switching to Jamaica College last season. Had to sit out champs. This year he's eligible, but caught up in a quota situation for Jamaica College with Prairie out. He could end up getting the individual spot at 800, 1500. The fastest boy in high school this season, 1:51.25, has been running with tremendous confidence again. From St. Martin, you'll see the Dutch flag beside his name if you ever search him.
So it's the heavy hitters out and about now. Jamaica College, Calabar, Kingston College. Then we come to Edwin Allen, Alphonsus Davis, St. Elizabeth Technical, Clarendon College, and Belfield.
Calabar have Kevon Richards on this second leg. He ran a very impressive 1:53.93 at the corporate area championship. So he's in very good form. And the good thing for Calabar is that they have their number one man, DeJounte Lewis, on the anchor leg. So if they can stay close, they'll have a chance. But Bryson Keynes is going away.
Bryson Keynes doing exactly what he needs to do on the second leg. He knows he's the strongest runner on his team. He has to give them a lead. And he's pulling away from Kingston College and Calabar at the moment. He knows they are vulnerable on the other two legs, so he's trying to get his third leg runner the best possible case scenario here. Hands off in first. Oh my goodness, Shamar Green dropped the baton. Oh, devastation for Jamaica College.
But not total devastation, because they're very much in it and still within striking distance and just within a bird's eye view of Kingston College. But that was some sort of a mishap for Jamaica College. They're right up there once again alongside Kingston College, was drawing alongside the shoulders of KC. Calabar in third. Then we come to Edwin Allen, followed through by Alphonsus Davis, St. Elizabeth Technical, and Belfield looking to draw closer now.
How costly could that mistake be for Jamaica College? It could really be costly. You know why? On the anchor leg for them, is their Class 2 man. Yes, #1 man in Class 2 this season, Cavell Nooks, but compared to the fact that he'll have to go up against Nahashan Ruto of Kingston College and DeJounte Lewis of Calabar, not looking good for JC at the moment, but they still have the lead and they need Green to produce a massive run. I wondered who the Calabar fourth athlete would be. They've gone with a Dane Davison, who made the 1500 final at Champs last year.
Jamaica College in the ascendancy at the moment. They will need to have some sort of a gap over Kingston College when the final handover is made to remain in the thick of things, to remain in business. They head down the backstretch. Jamaica College will look to step on the accelerator. Kingston College right there within striking distance. Then we come to Calabar and Edwin Allen trying to range up as well. They have gone well clear of Alphonsus Davis, St. Elizabeth Tech, Belfield, Clarendon College. Out of contention pretty much at this stage as they spring off the top bend. One more time.
Here's the thing, Spencer Darlington. Based on how this one is shaping up, it is looking as if it's moving in the direction of Kingston College. They have Ruto on the anchor leg to go up against Cavell Nooks. I think Nooks needed a bigger lead here over Ruto. Joel Morgan will run the anchor leg for Edwin Allen. He's last year's champ silver medalist, the central champion from this year. And Calabar's DeJounte Lewis needs the run of his life to bring the green and blacks back into this.
This could be a fabulous finish. They head down the backstretch for the penultimate time with Nooks on the anchor leg for Jamaica College. Ruto in there for Kingston College. Very much well poised to land a pivotal blow at this stage. Then we come to Edwin Allen and Calabar. They leave the 150-meter mark once again. Jamaica College, Kingston College, Edwin Allen and Calabar. Nooks, Ruto closing the gap all this time for Kingston College, and Nooks looks ominously dangerous at this stage. 400 meters remaining now. Nooks for KC, or for JC, and Ruto for Kingston College.
I tell you what, Spencer, Nahashan Ruto has gone sub 1 minute 54 3 times this season. He's been extremely consistent, won the corporate area 1500 title, and I just don't think, as good as Nooks is, I don't think this Class 2 man will be any match for Nahashan Ruto, with Joel Morgan running an amazing anchor leg for Edwin Allen, but he's too far back. It is KC and JC in the 4x8.
Look at Ruto for Kingston College. He has hardly broken a sweat, and he's going to look to put the hammer down now. He's in command. He's large and in charge. He springs off the top bend. In command for Kingston College, it's Ruto. The battle is on for second and third. Edwin Allen creeps up into second ahead of Jamaica College. But there will be absolutely no doubt about the winner of this event. Kingston College reigns supreme in the 4x800 meters. Open for boys. Edwin Allen second, Jamaica College third. 7 minutes 39.95 seconds, the winning time for Kingston College.
You're in great territory once you go some 7 minutes 40, and Kingston College have done that tonight, and they have done it well. Jamaica College, without Samuel Query, we're always up against it. I think JC wins this race tonight with Samuel Query, but when you don't have Samuel Query and then you drop the baton with the lead and give up 5 to 7 meters, then you're not giving yourself much of a chance, especially when KC has Nahashan Ruto on the anchor leg, and it is Cavell Nooks who is there for Jamaica College. Having said all of that, I think I have also seen my Class 1 boys 800 champion in this lineup. He's Joel Morgan from Edwin Allen. Has never won a Champs Gold medal, a load of silver medals. I think this year, 2026, could be his year. I thought so after Central Champs when he won it, and I think so even more after that anchor leg that I just saw.
There we have another look at Rashid Price handing over to Bryson Keynes, the Jamaica College, setting themselves up before that disaster with that third exchange between Bryson Keynes. We see him running here. Here he leans into Shamar Green and drops the baton, and that cost Jamaica College a real challenge at this event because their top runner, Samuel Query, is not here, and they have Cavell Nooks on the anchor, and they set up their Class 1 boys over the first 3 legs to do the work. Hands over to Cavell Nooks. but didn't have that lead he would have needed to challenge Ruto of Kingston College, who easily steps by Cavell Nooks there. And you see eventually Edwin Allen getting by with Joel Morgan as well.
It's the beauty of the 4x8s, you know, because the storylines, so many of them, and the lead changes throughout the course of the race. And we saw all of that tonight. Last year, Edwin Allen had Joel Morgan, I think, on the second or third leg. And or the second leg, I think it was, and they had the lead. But after that, there was nothing. They saved him for the anchor leg this time around, and they still came up short. But they get second this time around. Big performance from Kingston College, though. You really do have to say a lot about this Kingston College program, because they've lost Brian Kiprop from last year, who was one of their top 800 men, and still they are able to show up in this way and produce this type of quality.